Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Pipedrive CRM activity reminders and notifications. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your activity reminders and notifications in Pipedrive CRM, start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on your profile picture or initials to access your account settings. From the drop-down menu, select Personal Preferences. In the Personal Preferences section, look for the Notifications tab. Click on the Notifications tab to view your notification settings. Here, you will find options for email and in-app notifications. Ensure that the toggles for reminders are enabled according to your preferences. Next, scroll down to the Activity Reminders section. Review the options available for setting reminders for calls, meetings, and tasks. Make any necessary adjustments to the time frames for these reminders. Once you have configured your settings, scroll to the bottom and click on Save. Now, return to the main dashboard to check the activity. Here, you can see your upcoming activities and any active reminders. To test the notifications, you can create a new activity. Click on the plus sign or Add Activity button. Select the type of activity you want to create, such as a call or meeting. Fill in the necessary details and set the date and time. Make sure to set a reminder for this activity. Save the activity and double-check it appears in your activity list. Wait for the reminder time to arrive to ensure you receive the notification. If you receive the reminder as expected, your settings are verified successfully. If not, revisit the notifications settings to make further adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.